Here we go. Here we go again. Run, just run. Just run. What? Hey.
Tired.
Hey. No. Here he goes again. Oh! Get out of here! Ankles!
Ready?
There he is.
You haven't
The
ran.
killer. Yes, I have. So many times.
Here's go.
Plus, I got the camera. There he is. Run, Garrett. Just run. No, Garrett, keep going. You gotta keep
Here
going.
you go. I'll videotape
Okay,
you.
you better get the whole thing.
Okay. Okay, ready? James is about to go. With that one.
Go and distract her.
No. It's so cute.
Yeah,
My turn.
wow. I got it. Go, Karis, go. Run.
And they're fighting. Go back, please.
He just get eaten alive.
It's so
It can't jump up, so like.
No, it's gonna attack her.
Take it. Where do I go? Which way? Put your hand close to his face. Okay, Kara, it's your turn. You haven't won in a while. Just run right by him. Run right by him. Run right by him. Karis, run right by him.
I'm scared.
No, I was too. But run right here. Karis, no. We went for. Oh, Killer Dog is hiding. Where is he? There he is.
Oh, it's Louie too. No, dogs at
You're just taking a stroll in the park.
Cutest dog, but most furious dog. He's out to kill. You're out to kill, aren't you? Say something to the camera. What do you have to say? You have big eyes, don't you? Hey, you're tired. Oh, that's the end of it. Oh, we just had a killer dog, Lucy, on the loose.